Hi students, very good evening to all. So I am here just to discuss few preparation strategies for your GATE as well engineering service examinations. So before we start our preparation strategy program, so let me just brief out about me. Myself is Dr. Abdul Ahad, completed my PhD from NITK Surathkal in power electronics and drives, and I am associated with our ACE Engineering Academy since 2008 onwards, and I am dealing with this induction machines and other AC machines too, like synchronous as well as transformers also. So as you are the GATE and ESC aspirants, so every student will have some confusion how to make preparation for this engineering service as well as the GATE examination. So let me tell few preparation strategies out of my experience, so how a student can be successful in his preparation or in her preparation. So before I start with the preparation strategy, I'll take a general example. From that you can learn few things. Then after that we can correlate with that our preparation strategies. For example, say you want to catch a train and your house from the railway station is something like 10 kilometers, and the scheduled departure time of the train is say morning 7 a.m. As the distance is 10 kilometers, then you need to plan your strategy in such a way that you can reach the platform just 10-15 minutes before, so that you cannot be having some confusion or something like hurry in catching the train. So if you want to catch the train by 7, then you are supposed to be there by 6:45. If I am correct, as your house is 10 kilometers far away from the railway station, first of all you need to search for the mode of transportation, how you can travel from your house to railway station. Say before night you have planned like tomorrow I have to book some Uber or Ola so that I can travel from my house to railway station. So 10 kilometers means on average it will take some half an hour or so, and for booking the Ola and something you may spend some 10-15 minutes. Why? Because it is the morning hours, you may not have the so-called as the availability of the Ola or Uber. So roughly you have to start from your house by 6. And if you have to start by 6, you have to wake up around 4:30 or 4 to make your preparation done, like everything, so that you can be ready by 6 and you can book the Ola or Uber. Then you can catch the Ola, Uber, and you can reach the railway station in time like 6:45 or so that you can catch the train comfortably. So it is general the preparation strategy to catch a train or when you are going for some travel. For say if your train is at 7 o'clock, so if you wake up at 6 o'clock and if you try to search for a Ola or Uber at 6:30 or 6:40, then 100% sure that you cannot catch your train or whatever it may be. So it is a simple example of how to plan your travel, how to catch a train. So most of you might have come across such so-called as arrangement or planning in your life, the similar thing here. But in your preparation with respect to your competitive examination, so you have to be first clear with respect to your goal. The first point is prepare mentally and physically before start preparing for the examination. So most of the student will have a confusion, right? So say for example you are in final year, then in final year you will be having a confusion whether to give the GATE next year or to give the GATE in the same year or engineering service in the same year next year, like that you will be having a confusion. So for say if you are in the second year, if you want to make your GATE or engineering service, then you can plan your preparation right from the second year only. But say if you are in the final year, if you are making a move to go for GATE or engineering service examination during the last month of the year, I mean to say, if your GATE examination in the month of February, if you start your preparation by December, then it is very difficult for you to crack the GATE with a good score. So first of all, you should be mentally strong, you should be physically strong, that how to tackle the examination. So how to keep your concentration on your goal. So you should be mentally and physically strong. Physically means I'm not asking you to fight with each other. Physically means you should make yourself strong with respect to your physical health, mental health. You should be mentally strong. For example, say I should get this GATE, I should get this engineering. You should make your mind strong. You should make your goal strong. You should be physically strong with respect to your goal. So just like I need to crack GATE, I need to crack engineering service. So this is your aim. So first in your final year, when you are entering in the final year, make a goal. I want to crack GATE. I want to crack engineering service. So before you decide whether you to crack GATE or whether to crack engineering service examination, first of all you should make a mind for what purpose you are doing GATE, for what purpose you are doing engineering. So it is not like write the GATE, get the rank or do something, no. So you should have a plan that yes, presently I am final year BTech student or I have completed my BTech, so I want to do my masters. As I have done my engineering from some normal college, I want to have an education from IITs so that my education may be strong. So with respect to my education, my higher education, I can get a job. So first of all, you should make a mind that, okay, I am writing GATE. The purpose of writing GATE is to do masters, to do MTech in a good engineering college like IISc, IIT or NIT. So after doing MTech, what you want to do? Whether you want to go for the higher education like doing PhD or after masters you want to do your job. So it should be a plan. So first way is I am writing GATE for doing my masters in a good engineering colleges like IISc or IIT or NITs. After that I want to do my research work, I want to do PhD. So this is one path. The second thing is no. My financial position is very big. So I want to earn, I want to feed my family. So with the help of this GATE score, what I want to do means I want to get a job in good PSUs so that I can feed my family so that they can be happy. So your preparation is different from the first way. The second way is your GATE is only for getting a job. For getting a job, your preparation should be very strong. Similarly, if you are doing an engineering service, no, I want to work in central government system or central government job. So I want to be in a prestigious central government job. For that, your preparation should be in such a way that you should do engineering service. So these are the three tracks. We cannot mix up all the three tracks and you should not go a single preparation. First you make whether I have to do my, I have to give the GATE to do my masters and to do my PhD. No. To do only masters and get a good job in good companies. No, I need to give GATE for getting a job in PSUs. You please make your mind for what purpose you are doing or you are writing the GATE. Without that you cannot challenge. You cannot write the exam. So first make a mind that my vision is clear, my aim is clear, I want to write GATE because with the GATE score I want to get a job in PSUs. The second option is no, I want to write GATE because I want to do my masters in IIT, IISc, NIT. So after that I need to do PhD. That is second option. One more option, no, I want to do my masters. Why? Because during my graduation I didn't get any placement. I want to do my job in a corporate world. So I want to do my masters in a good NIT. So from there I can get a placement, I can join a company. No, I want to work for central government job. I want to write engineering service. So these are the different ways. First, make a plan. First, make yourself physically strong, mentally strong. For what purpose you are writing GATE? For what purpose you are writing engineering? So this is the main thing which you need to fix, right? So please, there are many options. Don't mix. It is not like my friend is writing GATE. I'll write the GATE. So without knowing what is the reason for writing the GATE, you should not do. You should not do. First of all, you should make, right? Please make a mind. I'll give one example. So in my life, I have seen many students. So generally, it is my general practice that to ask my students during their final year, so, what you want to do after your graduation? Once you qualify your graduation, once you get a degree, so what you want to do? So one of my students told, sir, I want to become a section engineer in railways. So I know that he's not that much talented guy. Why? Because he was having some backlogs. Till final year he's having 5-6 backlogs. But still his aim is to become a section engineer in railways, his intention, his goal. So he prepared. Then I said, okay, God bless you, all the best. Then why? Because his intention is to do section engineer job, but he was having backlogs. But after 2 years, I met him personally somewhere. So when I asked, hey, what are you doing? Then he told that, sir, I'm a section engineer in some central railway. So that is called as aim, that is called as plan. So you should be mentally strong, you should be physically strong, what you want to become, why you are writing the gate. So that is the main thing. If you have a clear vision for what you are writing the gate, for what you are writing the engineering service, then your 50% success is done. So please make a clear vision why you are writing the gate, why you are writing the engineering service. Then you are 50% strong. Now let us go for the other thing. The main thing is, most of the students, what I observed, most of the students, they don't know the syllabus, they don't know the pattern, just they will attempt the exam. So it is a meaningless without knowing the gate pattern, without knowing the engineering pattern. If you just try to apply, try to attend the examination, it is something like a meaningless thing. First of all, if you want to write a gate, please try to understand what is the pattern for the gate. So is it a descriptive exam? It is a objective exam, or it is the fill in the blanks, or what is the mode, how the exam paper will be there. So please try to understand for how many marks I need to give the examination, how many questions will be there, how many 1 marks question will be there, how many 2 marks questions will be there, any descriptive questions are there in gate, any 5 marks questions are there in the gate, any mathematics, any aptitude are there in the gate. First try to understand the syllabus. Try to understand the pattern. So how the questions will be, 1 mark questions will be, 2 marks question will be, is there any fill in the blanks? Please try to understand the gate pattern. Then similarly try to understand your engineering service pattern, and these two are totally different. So the gate is a one-day examination, but your engineering service is not a one-day examination. Please try to understand the pattern, right? After that, next one is try to learn, understand the syllabus. So what is the syllabus for gate? What is the syllabus for engineering service? Please try to understand the pattern, try to understand the syllabus. First try to make a plan. Yes, this is the pattern of the examination. This is the pattern of the examination. Then what is the syllabus for gate? What is the syllabus for engineering service? Make it. Next, don't make a preparation complex. So this is a very, 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 very important thing. So generally, most of the students make the preparation complex. Why? Because they don't know for what purpose they are writing the gate. They don't know for what purpose they are writing the engineering service examination. So please try to make the road clear. Try to make your vision clear. So don't confuse, don't make your preparation complex. That is, sometimes I want to write engineering service. No, I have to give gate. No, I'm writing a gate. No, I want to give engineering service. Don't mix up, don't confuse. First try to make a plan why you are writing gate, why you are writing engineering service. Don't make your preparation complex, right? Please. So please try to have a clear vision. Then very, very important thing is the standard textbooks. This is the area where most of the students will get confused. Standard textbooks. See, first you need to refer the syllabus and you need to refer the standard textbooks. Before we start your preparation, procure the standard reference textbooks. So every subject will have a reference textbooks, right? Don't try to procure many textbooks for the same subject. For example, if I consider your machines, electrical machines, maybe your induction machines, maybe your synchronous machines, DC machines. When I'm talking about for machines, the standard books you need to refer. One is Electrical Machineries by P.S. Bhimra. you are having 2 books, I think, right? So you need to procure both the books and electrical machines by Nagaratan Kothari. You need to please try to procure this. In addition to that, for more numericals, if you want to solve more numericals, then you have to follow some other textbooks like B.L. Tereja is good for the numericals, right? So it is not good for the theory, it is good for the numericals. Please try to get the standard reference textbook, right? Why? Because you can see, avoid the different textbooks for the same subject. So it is not like I want to start preparing machines, so whatever the books available in the market, I'll purchase and I'll keep it before me. So it is a meaningless concept. Just optimize your selection. Yes, machines, 1 or 2 books. Standard books, just learn the concept, try to make your preparation strong. That's all. So try to pick up the standard reference book. Don't mix up with all the books. Standard books. Next one is very, very important things. For example, say if you have joined any institute, online or offline coaching, so definitely those institutes will be providing the material for you. Please try to follow that material. Why? Because as I know, as I'm an author for a part of your electrical machines, when we are trying to make, when we are trying to prepare the material for that machines, induction machines particularly, I have referred the standard textbooks, and at the same time what are the questions previously asked. If something is not covered, I have updated every time. So you refer the material supplied by your institutes. Why? Because that material covers all the syllabus required for your engineering service, all the syllabus required for your gate. So everything will be there particularly. And if you refer your institute material, so you'll be having the classroom objective questions, you're having practice questions, so that you can find a bulk of material inside that book. So don't overlook that. So that is a very important point to keep it, to refer to your so-called as materials also, right? Right, you can see, because if I take our academy books, so as I told you that, so we update the material every year. If some question is not there, as if a question is up here in some concept which is not covered in that book, so we'll dump it. So it is a updated version. So all the topics will be included in that material. So please remember. The very, very important thing is, while you are preparing, you need to make a short notes. So for say, if I'm preparing a topic today, then what I need to do means, on the topics which I have completed today, I need to make a short note. Why I need to make a short note means, as electrical engineering, machines particularly will be having a lot of formulae, lot of equations. So you need to make a note. You need to prepare a short notes. Why? Because these short notes will be helping you for a last minute preparation. So which is very, very important. So whatever the topics you prepare, please see that you make a note on that, you make some short notes, so that these short notes will be helpful for you for your last minute preparation, right? The very, very important thing is revision. Revision. First, you need to complete the syllabus once. First, how to make the planning for your subject means I'll let you know. After that, how to go for the revision. So let me talk with respect to GATE first, right? Say you know that the GATE examination will be in the month of February. Then you need to start your preparation around some 8-9 months before. So for that, what you need to do means, first you need to check how many chapters are there. For say there are 10 chapters, let us say. Then how many months are there, and in that how many months, how many days are there, in how many days, then how many hours you can effectively use for preparing. Why? Because if I consider a particular day, I may not get 24 hours to make myself prepare for a particular topic. So first I need to calculate the number of subject what I need to prepare, then how many days are available, and in that days how many hours I can use for the preparation. I'll give an example. Say if I consider there are 8 months for your preparation. Say there are 10 subjects for your to be prepared. Then 8 months into 30 to 40 days you will be having. So in each day, for example, say you are having some 5 hours. 5 hours. So 240 into 5, roughly 5 hours you will get for preparation. 240 into 5, it will be 1250, right? So 1250 means you make it 1200. So 1200 by 10 subject. So for each subject you will be having 120 hours. If you are starting the preparation from 8 months. So what I need to do, first let us say I have started my preparation with networks. Then how many hours I am having for preparing that network subject? 120 hours. So 120 hours is sufficient or not? Sufficient. Then day 1, topic 1 from 2 complete. Day 2, topic 2 from 2 complete. Day 3. So like that, first you prepare a plan for 120 hours for your networks, followed by other subject, followed by other subject. You try to take your calendar and on that mention. So say you have started in the month of May. May 1st, this subject from this time to this time. This subject this time to this time. Please try to mark it and you keep that calendar before your eyes. So whenever you wake up, yes, today what is that I need to complete? I need to open the network subject, or I need to open the machine subject. In that machine subject, I need to go for a DC machine, or I need to go for an induction machine. In that I need to study this topic and I have to start reading from this time to this time. Get up, right? Start from that time, then complete the topic, finish the topic. Like that, please try to fix in the calendar. Why? Because still I remember one of my friend has done like this. So he has taken some white charts and he has mentioned the date, this topic, this day, this topic. So as soon as he wake up, he says, yes, this is today, this, I have to complete this. He used to complete that, he will write that and he used to finish that. So like that, he got a rank less than 10 in GATE. So please try to make a timetable clear. Why? Because without a timetable, without an exact timetable, it is a meaningless to prepare. So first, for 8 months, for example, if you are having 4 months, accordingly apply 4 months. For 8 months, so each subject is having 120 hours. First, I'll be completing my networks, followed by machines, followed by like whatever the preference you give. First, you start networks, or you start some X subject. First, you complete that subject. It is not like I'll start this subject and I'll drop it middle, then I'll go for other subject. No, there should be a pakka timetable. There should be a pakka schedule, and try to fix that schedule and try to complete that particular topic. Then over. Like that, in 120 days, you may need only some 60 or 70 days to complete your networks. Remaining days use for revision. Whatever you have completed, complete again, complete again, complete again. Like that, every topic has to be revised once or twice, right? When you are talking about a subject, networks is over. Machines, again, complete once, complete twice, complete thrice, like that. So topic by topic by topic, complete all the topics, revision 1, 2, over. So individually they have completed 1 time, 2 time. Then after all the subjects are been completed, again completely revise 1 time, 2 time, 3 times. So this is very important. So revision of the subject is very important. And one more thing is, for say, if I have completed networks now, then I have completed machines now. When you are starting the third subject, please again revise networks and machines. Why? Because the stupidness of the brain is, it won't remember what is required for us. It troubles us. But it remembers what is not required for us and kills us. So please remember, once you completed the network, after machines, you come back to again network, again machines, revise these two, again go for the third subject. When you have completed the third subject, again go from 1 to 3, then complete 3, then go for the fourth subject. Once you are going for the fourth, once the fourth is over, 1, 2, 3, 4, then go for the fifth subject. Fifth is over, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then go for sixth subject. So everything has to be revised. It should be a cycle. It is not like my first subject is over, second subject I'll start, second subject is over, third subject I'll start, third subject is over, fourth subject I start, means this first subject will go away. It will become again white paper for you. It should not be. So please remember, keep in touch with the other subject also. First, followed by second, then go back 1 and 2. Then start 3, then 1, 2, 3. Then start 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Once 4 is over, before you start 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then if you want to start 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then you revise. Like that you have to plan. It looks like it is a difficult thing, but you have to plan like this only. Why? Because you should not drop any subject in between and you should not come back. Right? So please make a perfect plan. So first calculate how many hours you are having, and in a day how many hours you can take. For example, if you are in final year, so it is very difficult for you to get 5 hours. You may get 1 or 2 hours. Then according to your requirement, according to your availability, please try to take how many hours you can separately take for your GATE or engineering service preparation. Make it. In a day, if I have started 8 months before, I can take 3 hours, 4 hours. Or I can take 5 hours also. But when you are coming closer to your exam date, maybe say you are October, November, if you take 2-3 days, it is very difficult for us. So make a perfect plan basing on the number of days available, basing on the number of hours available. Make a white sheet, make a calendar and mention the date, mention the time, mention the topic, mention the subject. Please, once you wake up, today is this date, I have to finish. Done, put a tick mark. Second day, this is done, tick mark. Third, done, tick mark. One subject is over, go for the next subject. Again, over, come back to 1 and 2. Like that you have to make. I hope you understood this. So this type you have to prepare, right? Once you have completed the syllabus, revision is must. But it is very important that you should have revised your engineering at GATE electrical exams minimum 2 to 3 times. Before you are ready for the examination, minimum you have to complete 2 to 3 times. Very, very important. Next one is, you have to solve at least 20 years previous paper. 20 years previous paper, both electrical in engineering service as well as GATE. Why? Because if you take any topic, so whatever the topics there are there, for example, if I consider on one topic, one year the questions are there, then you can see all the topics in that particular subject is over. Then if you are able to solve those questions, means you are having a confidence that I can solve any topic or any numerical from that coming examination. So at least minimum 25 to 25 years previous papers you have to take, and from that you have to revise and you have to work out all the questions. And one more thing is, when you are trying to solve the previous question papers, try to keep a separate book and try to solve your own. For example, if you are induction machines, as I am talking particularly about induction machines. In induction machines, right? So in 1993, so this question was asked, yes. So what is from which area it is asked? It is asked from construction, okay. What is that question asked, right? Then complete that. Why? Because you are planning 8 months before, right? Then you try to, so answer is there, you try to write the reason, why this is, why this is, why this is. Like that, 1994, what is the question? From which area it is been asked? It is from working principle, right? Like next area, so you try to make a point. So try to solve all the numericals, try to solve all the questions, try to maintain a separate notes for that previous year questions also. Why? Because these are helpful for you in the last minute preparation. You can revise and you can complete all these things during the last years. I hope it is clear. So please try to revise 20 or 25 year previous question papers and try to solve the numericals from that, right? It is clear. Done. Yes, this is a very, very important thing. Most of the students, why they are unsuccessful in the examinations, I tell many things. I saw many of my students who are like college toppers, sometimes who are also university toppers. But when I ask them after the GATE result, or what happened to your GATE result? They will give an answer simply, sir, we are disqualified. The reason is, it is not like they are not talented guys, they are extraordinary talented guys. Why they have failed means their preparation is not proper, their preparation is not like in a streamline. Why? Because your BTech preparation and your GATE and engineering service preparation is totally different. BTech will be for your marks, but your GATE and engineering service will be for your job. So BTech, it is something like a descriptive part. So there is no logic involved, there is no concept involved. It is something like explain this working principle, some concept will be there. But whereas in GATE and engineering service examination, we need to apply the logics, we need to apply the concepts. So please try to make clear that your engineering service, your engineering college preparation, GATE preparation and ESE preparations are completely different. So why most of the students are unsuccessful in GATE or engineering service examination means, it is not like they are not suitable for that. Why? Because their planning is not perfect, their preparation strategy is not perfect. So as they have prepared in the regular BTech examination, they will prepare in the same way for your GATE examination. Most of the students, what they do for their regular BTech examination means, they will do a one-day batting. They will do a one-day batting. So what is that one-day batting? If I am correct, so most of the universities will be having 8 units. And in that 8 units, they will try to pick up 5 units which are very easy. Why? Because you know that you need to write 5 questions. I am talking some universities, 5 questions. And in that 5 units, they will try to see frequently asked question. So they will try to by heart that frequently asked question, and if their luck permits, so they will write that and they will clear the regular BTech examination, right? So this should not be the case. I'll tell you one thing. In GATE preparation should be very much clear. I'll tell you very important things. See, if I'm correct, nowadays most of the BTech students, so they are not purchasing the textbooks. They are not purchasing the textbooks. Just they will purchase a book called as All-in-One, if I'm correct, All-in-One. All-in-One means, so the questions which are been previously asked. So what they will try to do means, in that All-in-One, so they will try to search the chapters which are very, very small. Then try to pick up the questions from that. And out of 8 units, they used to leave some 3 units and they used to pick up the 5 units and they try to pick up the answers from that 5 units. And if their fate is good and the questions will be coming from the previous 5 units and they will try to answer that. But whereas in case of your GATE and engineering services examination, you cannot leave any topic, you cannot leave any chapter as an optional. Why? Because it is the GATE, it is the engineering service where you need to concentrate the total subject, the total topics you need to cover. Please remember, you are not supposed to left or you should not leave any topic uncovered. If you are starting a machines, complete all the topics in machines. So it is not like I have started machines. For me, some topics are easy, some topics are left. So for example, say you have started machines, transformer, DC, induction, synchronous. So you have completed transformer, DC, induction, but you say synchronous is little bit difficult. You have prepared only 3. If I ask you, what about the machine? You say, I have prepared the machine perfectly, but very unfortunately, I didn't prepare synchronous. If your fate is not good, then tomorrow you may have a question from synchronous. Most of the questions may be from synchronous. So that is the reason. Please remember, your GATE preparation is totally different from your BTech preparation. So in BTech, you may have an option to leave some chapters. It is only for marks. But here, you cannot leave any chapter like any topic, right, in a particular subject. So please need to complete all the topics, right? But there is one thumb rule. I mean to say, out of an experience, I can say there is one thumb rule. What is that thumb rule means? Say if I am having, say, 10 chapters. 10 chapters. So in that 10 chapters, you can leave 10 subjects. You can leave one subject completely and you can prepare 9 subjects perfectly. If you prepare 9 subjects perfectly, then your rank may be below 10. But that 9 subjects should be perfect. Only one subject you can leave, any subject. But it is not like sir told 90% if you prepare it is good. It is not like in first subject I'll be completing some 90%, I'll leave it 10%. You should not do like that. So out of 10 subjects, so if you prepare 90% of the subjects, your rank will be less than 10. So you can just leave one subject as a optional if you are not able to find time to prepare. But out of my experience, I can say you can just prepare all the topics, not leave any topics, right? Done. So please try to make a perfect preparation with respect to all the topics, with respect to engineering service and also GATE. The very important thing is the mock test. Mock test. I'm trying to say why the BTech students are failing in GATE examination. Why? Because they are strong with respect to the topics, they are strong with respect to the subject, but they have not attempted any of the mock test. Any of the mock tests conducted or any of the tests conducted by any academy, any institute, the main, I can say it is the heart of your preparation, right? Writing the mock test, writing the test. So you know what I observed from my experience. So when I'm teaching the class, so after the class they will be having the test. So if I ask her, why, sir, I have not prepared, that is the reason I don't want to write the test. Why? Because if I write the test, I may get discouraged. No. See, Baba, remember one thing, writing the test is very, very important. Even though if you have prepared 0, please write the test. And try to find out, yes, write the test, attempt the answer. After attempting the answer, if it is right, happy. If it is wrong, then you try to understand what is the reason that I have done wrong. So there is one theory why Edison has failed to invent a bulb. So 10,000 times he has proved that it cannot be, but the next time he has proved it can be. So please, if you are having a question, attempt it. Don't leave it, attempt it. If your answer is wrong, after the examination, come. Open the particular topic, open the particular subject, then why I have done wrong, what is the reason, where I have committed wrong, why my procedure was wrong, why I am not able to get the exact answer, what makes me my question to, what makes me my procedure to be wrong, then try to analyze. Okay, fine, okay, here I have to put like this, but I kept like this, that's the reason I got my wrong answer. So correct it, solve it. Then tomorrow if the same question comes in your examination, then 100% you cannot do the wrong. Why? Because you have to make mistakes, you have to commit mistake, but you should not repeat mistakes. So first attempt the exam. If you are wrong, do it wrong. But next time if the same question is there, you don't leave it. So you can make mistakes. We are humans, we can make mistakes, but don't repeat the mistake. So that is the reason I request my students, please try to write the mock test. How many? Maximum you write. So there are many academies who are conducting the mock test. Please, our ACE Academy will be conducting many mock tests. Write. Even if you are not prepared, write. Then solve. Check your answers. If they are wrong, come back. What is the reason for your failure? Please try to solve it. So writing the mock test is very, very important. So mock tests are very important. Right? Then, so final statement is, once you are like done with all these things, once you have a strong grip on the fundamentals, then it will be a cakewalk for you in solving the problems or writing the answers in the examinations. So if you want to make your exam very simpler, so right from day one, you need to make your preparation simpler. So at last, I need to conclude with simple preparation strategies. First thing is, you make a clear vision, clear plan. You are writing GATE or you are writing engineering. If you are writing GATE, why you are writing GATE? For job, for higher education, or for PSUs. You make a clear plan. After that, understand the syllabus. Understand the exam pattern. Once you understand the syllabus, understand the pattern, then please try to see how many days are available for your preparation. Then once your number of days are available, then in days how many hours you can take out for your preparation. Calculate the number of hours, calculate the number of days, then see for each subject how many hours you can allot. Then number of hours per subject is ready. Then make a detailed schedule, detailed timetable. So these are the things which you need to do in the beginning. Detailed timetable, make a detailed timetable. Then it will take 1 or 2 days, make a detailed timetable, done. Now you are starting with say networks. Then in networks, keep ready with the standard referred textbooks, prescribed textbooks in networks. If you are taking any coaching, right, please get ready with the material available, start your networks. Then in day 1, from this time to this time, this topic I have to complete. Open the topic, complete that, make a short notes, keep the formulas done, then work out the examples on that. See any previous questions are being asked from that. Solve all the questions with respect to the topic. I'm done with the topic. So for that 1 hour is over. Then next hour, in the same networks, which topic? Say started Ohm's law, next KVL, KCL, then solve that, done, over. Like topic by topic. Then if I talk about induction machine, say day 1, introduction, day 2, RMF, day 3, construction. Tomorrow in the next class I'll tell what are the topics to be covered, like make a plan. So in that prescribed timetable, make a day for a particular topic, complete that. So you are clear what you have to do. Done. This day, this time, I have to do this. Over. This day, this time, I have to do over. So you are clear with the timetable. It is done. Then after that, once your preparation, first topic is over, first chapter is over, start second chapter. After second chapter, first subject, complete. Like that, make the things. So before you attempt the examination, see that individually each topic is revised twice and thrice. Overall, the total syllabus is revised once or twice. And in between, you try to give the mock test. Write the mock test. For example, say a mock test is on particular subject. You are not prepared, but you are a BTech student. You are aware of that. Attempt that. If you don't know the answer, commit mistake. Do wrong. You do wrong. Whatever you know, you do it. If it is correct, happy. If it is wrong, do wrong. Wrong answer, come back. You check why, what is the reason for wrong, why I have done wrong. Then open the material, search for the topic, what is the reason for wrong, then correct the answer. Right? Once it is been solved, same time, if the same area is asked in the examination, you will not commit any mistake. Right? Like that, prepare twice and thrice. Right? Attempt the mock test. Mock tests are very important. Mock tests are very important. Right? Mock test. So standard textbooks. If you make this plan perfect, 100 out of 100%, you will be a successful person. So I'll tell you one thing. A person who got first rank in GATE 2021 is not an extraordinary fellow extraordinary fellow. He is a person who is dedicated, who is determined to get, yes, I should get first rank. He made his preparation in such a way that he has to get first rank. He left something slips, right? So please remember when you are making preparation, so when you wake up, you should understand what I have to do today. When you are going to sleep, what are the things you have completed today? Before you sleep, what are the things you have to complete tomorrow? So keeping the topic, you should not get a sleep. So wake up early and try to complete, right? So these are some preparation strategies, right? I hope you have followed. So with this, I'll conclude. So tomorrow, with the same time, I'll try to see what are the important topics you can do it, right? So with respect to induction machines, I'll try to do. So before concluding, one more thing. So every year in this induction machine, it was a generalized concept which I told. Particularly for this induction machine, if I see in GATE examination, so out of my experience, I can say every year I can say a 2 marks question and a 1 mark question. So it is so important that a 2 mark question I can find and a 1 mark question I can find. So it is a very important subject, definitely a 2 marks question and a 1 mark question. And coming to engineering service in objective, So sometimes it has reached 8 questions also, right? And least what I got is 2 questions. So it will be in between 2 to 8 in between. So objective 2 to 8 questions will be getting from this objective in engineering service. And coming to your descriptive conventional paper, so minimum marks what I saw is 32, maximum marks is 40. So I'll be getting 40 marks up to from this induction machine. So this induction machine is a very, very important thing, not only with respect to your jobs, but in the corporate world nowadays, everyone is looking for a EV industries. So people are looking behind how to replace the IC engine with a motor, right? So the main motor which we are using is an induction motor. So induction motor plays a very vital role. As of now, you can see if I look any domestic purpose, domestic use, you can see if you just raise the hand, the ceiling fan is an induction motor. When you are using that pump motor to pump the water, induction motor. Refrigerator, induction motor. So as of now, in household applications, we have induction motor. In office applications, we have induction motor. In agriculture applications, we have induction motor. In some of the industries, we have induction motor. Now, coming era, the EVs, electric vehicles, we are using induction motor. So induction motor is playing a very, very important role, right, in the industries. So it is a very important subject. So don't make like only for GATE and engineering service. Even in the corporate also, you need this induction motor concept. So make a very important thing. So I'll try to explain the important concepts tomorrow from this induction machines. So for today, I'll stop. Take care. Good night. Right? We'll meet tomorrow, same time. Right? Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Karthikeya Kaushik and I have secured All India Rank 1 in UPSC Engineering Services Examination 2021 from Civil Engineering discipline. For prelims preparation, I took online test series from ACE online platform and used to regularly solve their subject-wise test and full-length test. Then for mains preparation, I solved question banks which were given to me as a part of mains postal program from ACE Online. And then last but not the least, for interview preparation, I followed the interview guidance material which was given to me as a part of ACE Online's interview guidance program.
I am Vinit Kumar. I have secured All India Rank 1 in Mechanical Engineering in ESC 2021. I have been associated with ACE Engineering. I have taken various programs like Lives, main classes, postal study course, test series and interview guidance program. So would like to thank all the faculties of ACE. It has helped me in building my concepts and having my fundamentals cleared. I would also like to highlight that in test series, I have given various mock tests which have helped me in the time of real exam, and in interview guidance program, building confidence in front of interview panel. It has helped me in my success.
Myself Abhishek Kumar Sharma. I have scored All India Rank 1 in UPSC Engineering Services Examination 2021 in Electrical Engineering discipline. Now I divide my preparation strategy into 3 basic things. The first thing is that you have to complete your syllabus from a basic standard source. The second thing is that you have to attempt previous year question. The third thing aspirant has to do is to solve as many test series as possible. I made 2 to 3 pages short notes of each and every subject. Now 2 to 3 pages short notes help in quick revision. If you keep working hard, you will definitely get success in this examination. This is what I followed, and I wish all the best for all the future aspirants. Thank you.
My name is Kuldeep. I have done my BTech from Ambedkar Institute of Technology, which is situated in Delhi, and I have secured All India Rank 1 in ESC 2021 from E&T branch. I took ACE postal course, mains test series and interview guidance program in ESC 2020 and ESC 2021.
Hello everyone, my name is Karthikeya Kaushik and I have secured All India Rank 1 in UPSC Engineering Services Examination 2021 from Civil Engineering discipline. For prelims preparation, I took online test series from ACE online platform and used to regularly solve their subject-wise test and full-length test. Then for mains preparation, I solved question banks which were given to me as a part of mains postal program from ACE Online. And then last but not the least, for interview preparation, I followed the interview guidance material which was given to me as a part of ACE Online's interview guidance program.
I am Vinit Kumar. I have secured All India Rank 1 in Mechanical Engineering in ESC 2021. I have been associated with ACE Engineering. I have taken various programs like Lives, main classes, postal study course, test series and interview guidance program. So would like to thank all the faculties of ACE. It has helped me in building my concepts and having my fundamentals cleared. I would also like to highlight that in test series, I have given various mock tests which have helped me in the time of real exam, and in interview guidance program, building confidence in front of interview panel. It has helped me in my success.
Myself, Abhishek Kumar Sharma. I have scored All India Rank 1 in UPSC Engineering Services Examination 2021 in Electrical Engineering discipline. Now, I divide my preparation strategy into three basic things. The first thing is that you have to complete your syllabus from a basic standard source. The second thing is that you have to attempt previous year question. The third thing aspirant has to do is to solve as many test series as possible. I made 2 to 3 pages short notes of each and every subject. Now 2 to 3 pages short notes help in quick revision. If you keep working hard, you will definitely get success in this examination. This is what I followed, and I wish all the best for all the future aspirants. Thank you.
My name is Kuldeep. I have done my BTech from Ambedkar Institute of Technology, which is situated in Delhi, and I have secured All India Rank 1 in ESC 2021.